Thank you for joining me. In this video, I will go step by step on how to make this embroidered elephant. Cut off a piece of tearaway stabilizer to fit in your embroidery hoop. Then spray temporary adhesive on your tearaway stabilizer and place the elephant ear. Move your embroidery hoop to the embroidery machine. Check to make sure the design is centered and within the boundaries of the dark part of the ear. Take the time to move the design or make it smaller to fit. Place a water stabilizer sheet so that your stitches pop. Lower the presser foot and then press start. We will now switch our thread to our second color. Once we finish up with the name on our first ear, we will remove it from the hoop and place the second ear. Check to make sure the design fits on the ear. Lay down your water stabilizer and start the machine. Now you will switch your thread color. Remove your embroidery hoop from the machine and remove the ears from the tearaway stabilizer. Cut the extra water stabilizer around the design. Using a seam ripper, cut the jump threads between each letter. Do the same thing for the second ear. Then use the embroidery scissors to trim the thread. Fold the ears inside out and move to your sewing machine. I do one pass on one side, then I flip the ear over and do one pass on the other side. Do the same thing for your second ear. Get your needle and thread and attach to the elephant. Then you will sew the ears on using an invisible stitch. Fasten off. Trim any loose threads you may have missed. Then do the same thing to the second ear. Cut ribbon to your desired length and wrap around to make a bow. Then trim the ends so that they are even. Here is the personalized baby elephant.